Todos los rescates de Resident Evil en helicóptero.
We're safe. What are we gonna do, mister?
Yeah, what are we gonna do?
I don't know, but don't worry. We can fly as long as we have fuel.
Mission accomplished. The survival rate was 4%, and valuable human resources were lost. But that is war. The mission objective takes priority over everything else. Holding to that principle is why I have never failed a mission. The death cannot die.
¿Por qué has vuelto?
Quería conocer a Mr. Death.
You can have it.
You think I'm reckless, don't you?
You stole the computer core from your own company. I wouldn't exactly call that stable.
The people who go down in history as its heroes are never stable. Inside UMF-013 is all of the research data. With that, Umbrella will rise from the ashes.
Don't need this anymore. Well, what should I do with the rest of my life? I'll think about it after I take a nap.
Even I've had enough. Just thinking about the column I have to write. I'm getting a headache.
Are you all right? Take this.
Thanks, but I'll pass.
It's finished at last. But I'm out of a job. Oh,
It's nothing.
don't be silly. You need to stop the bleeding. Yeah. There's any number of things I can do.
Are you okay?
Yeah. It was all about Dream. I'll forget it. It's finished. I can finally rest. No, I have one thing left to do. I'm not a savior. It's just my duty.
Does it really work? Oh, no! Shit! Hey, get back here! Uh-oh! Hey! Thanks! You're the man!
Please, Lord, never again.
What caused the tragic events which claimed the lives of so many Raccoon City citizens is still unclear.
It's clear as day. It's us, mankind.
Is there a secret hiding inside me?
Yoko, it's been 2 years. Oh, but you might not know that.
If so, I can't run away from it. This is finally something hopeful. I have to see this through to the end.
Chopper's coming in! Yes!
Thanks, you saved us.
I couldn't let you die.
Is it you?
Are you ready to finish this?
It's coming!
Yeah. It's the end.
That's it. Umbrella's going down.
Todo tiene un precio. Incluso dejar que el mundo arda.
¿Para quién trabajas?
Te lo diré. Si me sacas de aquí, te pagaré lo que quieras. ¿A dónde vas? ¿A dónde vas? Si muero, nunca sabrás la verdad.
No me importa investigar por mi cuenta.
Jill, ¿estás bien?
Es él.
Sí, se acabó.
Nos vemos, Raccoon. Sentí frío y soledad cuando el calor de la explosión nos alcanzó. Todas esas muertes no fueron producto de un virus monstruoso, sino de la ambición del ser humano. Lo decidí entonces. Las cenizas de Raccoon City serían también las de Umbrella. Acabaré con todos ellos.
I'm losing too much blood. Maybe it's for the best. For this way, I will never lose my soul.
Manuela.
Thank you, Leon.
Why did Manuela never lose her conscience? Was it something genetic? Or was she sustained by this land that's so rich with life? The virus continues to grow, altering its form, strengthening perpetually, until the day it can be destroyed. In our bodies, in our souls.
Hasta que muera o hallen a alguien mejor.